Just pour glue into the coffee. Woodworkers do this and never tell you. To start today's simple tip, we'll need the key ingredient for our trick, which are coffee grounds. I'm using instant coffee, but you can use whatever coffee you have at home. Just add 1 tablespoonful into a container. Once that's done, we'll need some white glue. But pay attention, the glue we'll use is PVA adhesive glue. It needs to be this type of glue for our tip to work. But don't worry, it's easy to find and very affordable. Let's add just 1 tablespoon of glue here. And last but not least, we're going to need some hand sanitizer. It has to be this type of alcohol, because it contains a compound that will create a protective film, increasing durability. So let's add just 2 tablespoons of hand sanitizer and then mix everything very well. And folks, after I learned this tip, I never spent money on this type of product again. You'll be surprised by the result, and I guarantee you'll thank me for teaching you this tip. After mixing well, our tip is ready. And look at how it turned out. If you're not using instant coffee, just strain the mixture through a sieve for the same result. And what we've just made is an incredible homemade varnish. That's right. I'll take a piece of wood to show you the product. Using a brush, just apply it all over the piece. And see how simple the application is. The best part is that besides varnishing, it also preserves the wood for much longer, keeping away termites that love to ruin our wooden furniture. Look at how it penetrates the wood, leaving an incredible shine and protecting the piece. Here I've applied just 2 coats, and look at the result. Look at the shine it leaves. It's just fantastic. I never imagined that using just a few ingredients we have at home, we could make something so useful. So, out of varnish at home? Don't worry. By using just glue, alcohol, and coffee, you'll have a great homemade varnish. That was today's tip. I hope you liked it. If you liked it and found it useful, don't forget to share it with others. There's definitely someone who needs to know about this. Because it's not only easy to make, but also cheap, and can help those who can't afford expensive products. Take care, and I see you in the next video.